We just got out of a host club and I thought, hilarious, why shouldn't we go? It's the best thing ever. He did magic tricks. I'm so out of breath because we're walking up a hill and the magic tricks were so good. It was always the same beginning, but the end was always different and really cool. We chose a card, we showed it to everybody. He shuffled the deck, took the deck of cards, threw it against his chest, and then he slid down his shirt. He had the symbol of our card on his chest. No. I am so mind-boggled as to how he did that. The host club was called Sweet Spice and they're from Düsseldorf in Germany. And if you ever get the host Larry, ask him to do magic tricks because he's amazing. Shall we go again tomorrow?
Yeah.